What if tomorrow, the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? No warning, no explosion, just silence. At first, you wouldn't notice anything unusual, but within seconds, the planet would begin to change in ways we can barely imagine. Right now, you are moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. You don't feel it because everything around you is moving at the same speed. Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours. That rotation creates day and night. It also shapes our oceans, weather, and climate. If Earth stopped instantly, everything not firmly attached to bedrock would keep moving. Buildings, cars, trees, and even oceans would surge eastward. Massive winds would sweep across the planet at extreme speeds. It would be one of the most destructive events in human history, and it would happen within minutes. But the chaos wouldn't stop there, because Earth is not a perfect sphere. It slightly bulges at the equator due to its rotation. That bulge exists because centrifugal force pushes water outward. If rotation stopped, that force would disappear. The oceans would slowly move toward the poles. Entire regions near the equator would flood. Meanwhile, new oceans would form closer to the North and South poles. The map of the world would change forever. Then comes the problem of sunlight. Right now, Earth rotates to evenly distribute heat. If it stopped spinning, one side would face the sun constantly. The other side would remain in permanent darkness. The sunlit side could heat up beyond 100 degrees Celsius. Oceans would evaporate. Deserts would expand rapidly. On the dark side, temperatures could drop below minus 100 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere could begin to freeze. Life would struggle to survive in such extremes. However, there might be one narrow region where survival is possible. A thin strip between constant daylight and endless night. A permanent twilight zone. Temperatures there might remain somewhat stable. But global wind systems would collapse. Jet streams would disappear. Weather patterns would completely change. Rainforests could dry out. Ice caps might reform unpredictably. Agriculture would become nearly impossible. Supply chains would collapse. Modern civilization would struggle to function. Could humans survive? Possibly. We might build underground cities. We might create artificial ecosystems. We might rely on advanced technology to control our environment. But survival would not be easy, and many species would not make it. Over time, Earth itself would stabilize in a new balance. Because Earth is resilient. It has survived asteroid impacts and mass extinctions before. But human civilization is far more fragile. Thankfully, Earth is not going to stop rotating anytime soon. The forces required to stop it are beyond anything humanity can produce. Still, this thought experiment reveals something powerful. Our planet runs on delicate, invisible forces. And those forces make life possible every single day. Sometimes, we only understand their importance when we imagine them gone.